morning, everyone. What's up? It's me, Riley, also known as Original Riley here on YouTube. Welcome back to my channel. We're out here, Street Art Festival 2017, making some art, right? What did we just do over in the ice rink?
We marked out like a bunch of small squares, 4x4s, like really quickly, fastest you've ever seen. We're like basically speed.
Basically the Flash.
Yeah, 8x8 squares. They were not marked correctly and looked really like more like
Wonky?
wonky, not squares at all. But
Wonky, not
and now
square.
we're
I'm vlogging. Oh my god. I love being a YouTuber. Say that again, Brianna, a little louder.
Kill myself.
Yep.
Yo, you know we out here with Riley. Shout out to Riley. She's a cool person. We really know we out here. We out here. Say that for the vlog. Yeah.
Do you want to plug anything?
Plug anything? Nah. They knew who I am. That is true facts. That is true facts.
No printer, just facts.
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 Facts. B. Yep. Get in this.
Welcome to the vlog segment called "What Snack is in Evan's Bag?"
got an apple. Got this Nature Valley granola bar, and I don't know what the.
Don't plug Nature Valley. They're not paying me for this. I didn't go to Gabe's party, but when Bay went to football, I got a videographer now. Bay came back from football practice, and then he just came to the house and said, "Gabe, where's your stove?" And he said, "Over there." Why? He pulls out a bag with a steak in it and marinade. And his mom just threw it at him in the car and was like, "Make sure you eat tonight." The best part is that Gabe's whole family is like vegetarian.
Jesus Christ.
So, now you know.
The more you know.
Where's Diane even go? So we're out here. Evan's sketchy on an idea because we have our square, but we don't plan ahead.
I wing it. I wing it every time. I'm just like fun.
I'm just here for moral support.
Oh my gosh, guys.
Andy, fancy running into you here.
So, okay.
Hey neighbor.
Have it like, I don't know, loop around like that or something like that with like a knot, like, it's sort of like round thing. Like, this is like the shape it will be. It like, not nothing there, but it will be like, just have like a frame, like, have it like go around like, so it's like this, and then have like something in the middle, like a little bump of some sort, like either like two like swirly things that swirl and then like touch each other or whatever, or anything like that, and then just have like whatever I want in the middle. Like,
So that's what we're thinking. We got these nice chalk pastels at our disposal. Getting them action shots.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Action. Explosion. Edit in some explosions. That's real action.
Edit an explosion.
Boom.
Boom. Yeah. Out here, and we're drawing the outline. We out here. Team Evan and Riley.
Revan?
Team Revan. That's badass. Hell yeah.
Out here.
Evan and I, Team Revan. We're working. We're grinding.
Revan them engines.
Revving the engine. And this is the frame so far. See, the art of collaboration. Honestly.
So we got 4 S's over here. We got like 2 headless snakes over here. Pretty good.
That's what's up, kids.
Yeah.
And
you know what's up?
What?
The sky.
Oh shit. Evan, what's going on?
It's raining. We gotta get the poncho out.
Guys.
Move your stuff. Move your stuff. Poncho saved it. It's okay now.
What about that corner?
I told you I don't care about that corner. Corner's unimportant.
Everyone has umbrellas. Andy, where are we?
We're at the mall. And on Andy's mall tour.
I love modern day romance.
Oftentimes, follow me. Oftentimes when you're at the Providence Place Mall, there'll be men telling you that your boobs are big. Love getting hit on.
Happens to me all the time, guys.
Evan, do you know what that's called?
Escalate.
Escalade. It's really salted chocolate.
No.
It has a horse and a lady riding it because of Lady Godiva.
Really?
Yeah, Lady Godiva is this lady who like had
That's
super
a
long
god.
hair and like rode her horse naked through a town. And it's not even proven that she actually existed, but
That's
one of
why
my
women
favorite
have
women in history.
Can you spell escalator?
Can you spell it?
No.
Sugars. It's Forever 21.
Forever 21.
We're
Where you
not-
can buy really cheap clothes that fall apart.
Ah, they're not even
Also,
cheap.
Riley's.
Can you guys take a picture of me?
Are you in a picture of me?
What?
I'll just get it.
Oh!
I'm on my class right now.
Okay.
So, whoa. Evan and I are here, and we're at the food court, and Evan is about to experience his first ever cheese fry.
But this is the place I've definitely been.
Obviously, Evan, he thinks he's never been here before, and
That's because I never went the way that you guys went. I was like,
it's the problem. I can't. Is it even open? It is open. We're about to have some cheese fries. You ready for this?
yeah.
Yeah? Thanks for the enthusiasm. Hey, what's up, you guys? It's me, Riley. Welcome to the end of the vlog. Congrats, you've made it through. I'd like to apologize. This vlog is all over the place because, you know, first of all, I don't know how to vlog in public. I'm still working on it. Everything takes time. I'll get better eventually. Two, like you guys saw in one short clip, it started pouring, and Evan and I's piece and everyone's pieces that were in the ice rink just got washed away and basically turned into a puddle of color. So that kind of ruined most of the content and stuff, and there was going to be a lot more things that I was going to film throughout the day. My plans got a little bit screwed with, and after I left the mall with Anna, Andy, and Evan, I went home and I took a nap for 4 hours. I'd like to apologize for that. I had high hopes for this, but you know, nothing ever works out, but we gotta roll with the punches. But no matter what, I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, give it a like, comment down below, subscribe if you haven't already, turn on post notifications, because when I finally post, it's gonna be rad. New videos are on the horizon, and I hope you guys are excited. And I love you guys. Thank you so much. And this has been Original Riley Production signing out, and I will see you guys super soon. Bye.